What's going on, guys? So I received some LED rock lights from Ledmircy, and we're going to be trying them out, comparing them to what I have now on my truck. So I received 4 white LED, just pure white rock lights. So this is 4. I got 2 per box, and then I received an 8-piece RGB kit, and we're going to test this, compare it to the one that I have on my truck. Currently it's raining, so I won't be able to do it today, but we'll get this started. We'll open these boxes up, we'll see what's inside, what it all comes with, and I think they do have a lot of quantities of these lights. I know on the white lights they have up to 20 if you want to buy 20, and I think they go for like 160 something if you buy the 20 piece, but they start at 4 pieces and they go up from there. And then the RGBs, I don't know if they carry more than 8, but they do have the 8 at the time if you want to put 2 per wheel. It does come with your little instruction booklet. It'll pretty much tell you what app you need to download, how to hook it up, how to control it. So we got it here. You guys can pause this or slow it down. Pretty sure it's just like the ones that I have now that I control them with my phone. So yeah, it tells you more things. Password, because I know that'll be, sometimes it's very weird trying to set it up and you don't hit the password correctly, etc. So in this big box we have a large amount of cable right here. Oh, it's on there real good. There it goes. It's a whole lot of wiring. You got your 8 connectors, the small ones that go into each rock light, and then you have your big one that I'm pretty sure is going to go into the control box, which is right here. So that'll need to be powered through a 12-volt source, and then you have 2 RGB lights per thing. I know in the picture it shows the white LEDs. Well, I mean, they're amber there, but when they're on, it'll be white. It doesn't show any other markings. So we're just gonna open one up just to confirm that they are RGB. And yep, there you guys can see that it'd be your RGB LEDs in there. And you do have 2 per box, like I said, and it comes with a little rubbery gasket for the top, your mounting screws, however you want to mount them. I know on mine I put them with self-tapping screws into my wheel well liner, and that way I didn't have to remove my liner and all that. And then I put some silicone around it just to make it easier for me. Otherwise I would have to remove the whole liner and it's gonna be a pain. I don't want to do that. So those are those, and let's open up this ones. Now they do have more LEDs. They carry quite a lot of types of LED light bars and all that, so I can post a link in the description for some of their parts. So this is the pure white, and it's the same thing, same hardware, just different LEDs. And anyway, so we're gonna wait till the rain stops so we can try them outside, or we could try them here and then we'll compare them outside when the rain stops. Now when you hook up the lights, I don't know if you'll be able to see it, but it has some arrows on both of the pieces. You can kind of see one of the arrows right here, and then it has an arrow over here as well. So you want to line those up and push both pieces together, then screw this piece into this other one. Alright, so the app you need to download is called BLE underscore light, and it looks like this. Let me show you real quick. And it looks like that. And you want to go into that app, and it'll say scan. It'll say scan right there. You're gonna scan, and it's gonna say BLE underscore light. You're gonna click on that one, like so, and then it says disconnected. You're gonna click on those three dots and click connect. So let me do that. So I just click connect, and it should try to connect, hopefully. And it says connected, and then you can switch colors, or if you click the back arrow you can go into scenes. So right now I have it on scenes, and it's just going through all the colors that it has. So we're going to turn off the light and see how that looks. Alright, got the lights off in the garage, and you guys can see putting some light out there. They are pretty bright. For being just two little lights, they are quite bright. So let's go put it at a solid color. So that's pretty much it on those RGB lights. Now we just need to try them outside. And now let's plug in one of the white ones. Alright, this is the white one. I'm not even gonna lie, this thing is freaking bright for being such a small light. Let me turn it up a little bit. Alright, the light's pointing up. You guys can see a whole lot of more light output. Thing's freaking bright. So we'll test them out outside in a little bit. Alright, we're gonna test out the white light first. We're gonna hook it up to our battery, and so you guys can see how bright it is. So the ones that are on my truck are the ones that I had already installed a while back. Let me clean it up a little bit, and then we have our little battery here. We're gonna hook up our white LED to it. You guys can see how bright it is. Completely overpowers that purple light, and it even shines quite a lot to the ground. Yep, a lot more powerful than the ones that I currently have. Alright, let's test out the RGB ones. They are set to the same magenta purple color, so but you'll be able to see that if one is brighter than the other. It's just, so that's my original one there. You guys can see how bright it is. And I'll put the other one next to it. We're gonna turn it on, and I think it's so bright. It's definitely at least twice as bright as my original one. So it's definitely better lights. Gonna contemplate if I switch mine or what. So I do like how bright they are. So, but there you guys have it. If you guys are interested, I'll post a link in the description for this light and the rest of the lights from this company, so you guys can take a look at that. So I'll see you guys on the next one.